Hi guys, a truly passive income working from home. Look, I'm in my bedroom in the bay window here. That half of the room is where I sleep, and wardrobes and ensuite and all that sort of stuff. But in this corner where my bay window is, this is where I work from. This is my office, so I commute really from the bed to here. Well, I go downstairs first and have a cup of tea. Now, what I want to do in this video is I've got so much to share with you. And this series of videos that I'm going to be doing throughout this week is I'm going to be sharing with you the top cryptos I believe you should be looking at. And I'm going to talk to you about trading, and I'm going to talk to you about a passive income. I'm going to talk to you about staking as we go through this week. Now, don't worry if you don't know what any of this stuff is about, but by the end of these videos, you're going to have a clear picture of how you can make a real income working online. Now, I'm like to work in the cryptocurrency space. I do own a bit of gold and a bit of silver, and I do some trading on the stock markets, the S&P 500 and so on. But really, my main focus of my main income comes from cryptocurrencies. So the stuff I'm going to share with you, you're not going to see anywhere else, okay? Nobody else is going to tell you this stuff. A lot of people that are in this space that I actually work in don't really make videos like I do, so they don't share this stuff. You're never going to find this stuff in the mainstream media, and the mainstream media will lead you to believe that the stock market and the economy are connected, and they're not. The economy now is currently, is in a downturn because of the virus that we're in, this pandemic that we're in. But yet the stock market at the moment is booming, and unemployment is ripe across the country. So if you want to stay ahead, ahead of the curve, and you want to have a truly passive income, then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click that subscribe button, click the bell icon, and that will tell you when I upload a new video. Now, I do apologize if this video is a little bit long, but I think it's worth you watching till the end. I'm going to share with you 3 cryptocurrencies, or I think maybe 4, that I'm going to talk to you about. But first off, I want to share a report with you, a financial report. So let me share my screen. So hopefully you can see my screen now. And this is the 2020 Crypto Hedge Fund report, okay? Now, I'll leave all the links for everything that I cover on this video in the description below. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, okay? Right, so if we look, this report is compiled by PwC and Elwood. So let's have a look first at who they are. So here we are, who are PwC Global. They're a leading hedge fund management service. They've got offices in 157 countries, and they employ nearly 300,000 people. Okay, and if I go to, you can find all this stuff, as I say, the links will be in the description. And if we look at what their net worth is, it's 42 billion. Okay, that's up 7% from the previous year. So they're a big player, okay, in the hedge fund industry. And here is their website. So it's all to do with financial services. So it's a massive player. And then we go back to the report, we come to Elwood. Okay, and if you Google Elwood, you'll find again that the Elwood are an asset management. So they're a fund management, okay? And again, they're big players. They know what they're talking about. Here's their website. Again, the link is in the description, so you can check all these out. But I want to go back to the report. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to scroll down the report here. I'm going to take you to the key takeaways, okay? Now, this is, I just think, mind-blowing for the cryptocurrency industry. Now, it says that we estimate that the total assets under management, that's what the AUM stands for, of cryptocurrency hedge funds global increased over 2 billion in 2019 from 1 billion. So it doubled, basically. The percentage of crypto hedge funds with an AUM of over 20 million increased in 2019 from 19% to 35%. Again, just mind-blowing, this stuff. The average AUM increased from 21 million to 44 million. The medium crypto hedge fund returned plus 30% in 2019, which is just mind-blowing. And then in 2018, 46%. Mind-blowing. Cryptocurrencies are definitely things you should be looking at. Now, what I want to look at is what are these companies actually they're putting their money into. And if we come down a little bit further, and this is the information that I'm really interested in, is what's written here. Okay, so most crypto hedge fund trades in Bitcoin, 97%, followed by Ethereum, 67%, XRP. One, I was a little bit surprised to see that on there, but 38% for XRP, Litecoin, safe bet, Bitcoin Cash, and EOS. Okay, now this report, I definitely, if you're interested, I'm going to leave a link to this PDF and you can read all this report, or you can just read this takeaway bit, because this really sums it all up in a nutshell, and it's really positive information, I believe, or positive news for the crypto industry. Cryptocurrencies are starting to get noticed by the big hedge fund companies, and you won't find this, and they're never ever going to report this on the mainstream media. You're going to find this in your local newspaper or in the big media press. You're not going to find this stuff. Okay, if you want to find this stuff out, follow my YouTube channel. So let me go over to my first coin that I want to show you. So here I am on Johnny Blockchain. I've come up to the coin stats, and I've looked up Theta. Okay, now before I get into Theta, because the price at the moment for Theta is around 26 cents. I believe that this is going to go over the dollar by December of this year, over the dollar. So I personally believe that this is a coin that you should be looking at. Now, I want to stress, this is not financial advice that I'm giving you. It's my financial opinion. Okay, you can take it with a pinch of salt, or you can act on it. That's entirely up to you. I'm just showing you the stuff that I'm interested in and the stuff that I'm investing in. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving you financial opinion. So what is Theta? Now, if you come to their website, there's actually a video there in the right-hand corner. I'd recommend you watch that. Basically, they're connected to the gaming world, and we all know how big gaming is nowadays. And so definitely Theta, I think if you've got some spare $20, $50, or even $100, I think it would be a good investment. Again, not financial advice, financial opinion. So Theta is the first cryptocurrency that I want to share with you. The next one on my radar is Zilia. I don't know how you pronounce that. I do apologize. But again, come over to Johnny Blockchain, up to coin stats, and you can search this coin. All you do is search for this or this word here. I'll show you how to do that in a moment. Again, with this coin, if you look at this coin, it's currently trading at just under 2 cents. I personally believe that this is going to go again above the dollar by the end of this year. Just below here, you can click here to take you over to their website, which will take you to here. It's a good read up. Have a little read of that if you're interested. Some people are not really that interested in reading about this stuff, and they just rely on other people. But I wouldn't recommend that. Always do your own due diligence and do your own investigations and make up your own mind. If we come here, there's I'll leave again this link here, but there's an excellent little video here. I'm just going to look. It's 2 minutes long. I'm just going to play this for you.
I think there's a massive pent-up demand in the marketplace for people that have ideas that need scalable blockchain technology. So I'm really excited about helping people that really have been wanting for a high throughput blockchain technology to emerge, so that they can actually take those ideas and create world-class businesses out of them. Because there are industry sectors that are yearning, I think, for a scalable blockchain, and that's what we're really excited about doing.
Zilliqa actually is the first blockchain where the underlying blockchain protocol increases the throughput as the network expands, right? Now what this means is it's going to enable really a new set of protocols that have been largely theoretical so far, but now being built into large-scale infrastructure which will be utilized in practice. And they're based on several new ideas. One of them is this idea of sharding, which is how do you take a very large network of computers and automatically divide them into subnetworks without a centralized authority in a completely decentralized way. Then there are some improvements on making the network bandwidth consumed by each of these communities drop substantially by using some new cryptographic algorithms based on signature aggregation. And along with this, there are planned innovations on the way smart contracts will be delivered on this platform and so on. So that's really a suite of breakthroughs, if you will, on the technology front, rather than just one.
Certainly worth checking this article out and watching that video for yourself. So we've got 2 coins so far. We've got Theta and we've got ZIA. I don't know how you pronounce that. Zilliqa, I think is how you pronounce it. And again, the links, everything that we cover in this video today will be in the description. Now, the next coin that I want to bring you over to is DigiByte, okay? And again, if you come to Johnny Blockchain, come up to Coin Stats and you can search for DigiByte. And just to tell you here, it gives you the overview. There's 3 tabs here. It gives you the overview. All of these coins that are on Johnny Blockchain give you an overview of what the coin's about, okay? And on that page gives you all the links and all that sort of stuff. The market cap, the trading volume, that's so important, how much is being traded over the last 24 hours, and what the high and low prices are, okay, and what the current price is, the circulating price, you see. So that takes the data from many sources and gives you an overall sort of, it's not an average, okay, I'm going to say the circulating price, but you'll find that it gives you the actual ranking of the coins. So it's in the list of all the coins that are out there, all the cryptocurrencies and the tokens. There's I think there's just under 7,000. It's number 38 on the list, okay, is DigiByte. So that's what you get from that tab. This tab here is the actual markets, and you'll find that with all of these coins. They've all got these 3 tabs, you see, overview, markets, and the blockchains. And then you've got the blockchain. And this will tell you on this screen what exchanges you can buy this coin from and actually trade it, and if you can deposit and withdraw from them, and what blockchain they're on. So coming back to the overview of DigiByte, at the moment it's priced just under a penny. I think this is going to go to somewhere around about the 50 cents, 53 cents. I think that's going to be towards the end of this year, December time as well. So let's have a look at DigiByte. DigiByte, the website's there, as you can see. You could just click this link here, take you over to the DigiByte. You can read all that stuff, find out what they do on their website. But I've got a video for you. What is DigiByte? Okay, so it's a minute and 34 seconds. So if you'll allow me, I'll play you that, and then we'll get into the last coin that I want to talk to you about today.
Are you ready for the future of paying for things? DigiByte is a new form of currency, similar to dollars, euros, yen, or even Bitcoin, but on the very cutting edge of digital technology and with no central authority. DigiByte is open source, free to use, and anyone can get involved. Want a safer way to pay for stuff? DigiByte's state-of-the-art security makes it 5 times more secure than other digital currencies. It incorporates the same technology that's used to secure nuclear launch codes. So yeah, it's safe. Want to get paid faster? DigiBytes can be sent and received anywhere in the world with an internet connection in a matter of seconds. Wish you could have your computer make money for you? While $1 might be sent from one person's bank to credit card processor to another person's bank, DigiBytes are sent directly from person to person. But in order to verify that each transaction is legit, it takes computing power. You can exchange the computing power you have for newly made DigiBytes as you help process transactions. Want a super easy way to use your money? DigiByte is helping to speed up and link merchants and consumers across the globe in a cutting-edge manner. DigiBytes can even be sent over social media, helping to connect legacy business models with up-and-coming young consumers like gamers. Want to get started today? Get your own DigiByte wallet for free at digibyte.co.
So there's DigiByte. So DigiByte is another coin that I've added to my portfolio. And the good thing about these tokens, these cryptocurrencies that I'm telling you about, you can actually, once you bought them, you can actually arbitrage them. And I'll be talking to you about that in another video. So you can, once you've spent a bit of money and you've bought these coins, you can start to arbitrage them and increase them. Some of these coins that I'm talking to you about as we go through this week is you're going to be able to do staking. And I'll be telling you about that in another video. Now, the last coin I've got for you today is an old favorite of mine, Cardano, ADA. If you scroll down when you come to johnnyblockchain.com, you can see the coin stats overview. Click on this blue button. That will bring you to this screen. And then just pop in the coin that you're looking for, ADA in this case, and then click search. It's going to bring you back your a search with all the stuff with ADA in it. This is the one we're looking at, Cardano. Click on that, and it will take you to the overview page for Cardano. Now, Cardano at the moment is just under 10 cents, 8 cents. If I buy any cryptocurrencies or crypto tokens that I like the look of, I'm not buying them for short gains, okay? I'm buying them for the long term. Now, if you look at stock markets, for example, you buy shares, say you buy shares in McDonald's or something like that, then you've got to wait 20 years, 10 to 20 years before you see a massive return, if you're going to get a return. Well, cryptocurrencies are sort of the stock market on steroids. It moves very quickly, okay, moves very quickly. So something that takes 10 or 20 years in the stock market can be 3 to 5 years, okay? So I look at investments in the cryptocurrency space over a period of at least a couple of years, okay? And at some point in that period, I normally take back out my principal, which is the initial money that I invested in to buy the coin. Once I get enough to get my initial principal out, and then I've got my coins for free, and I can arbitrage and pick up coins for free as well. That's where I like to be, okay? Again, Cardano, I'm not going to go into any great detail with Cardano. You can come here yourself, but I definitely believe this is an old favourite of mine. It's definitely worth a look at. Now, if you like the content that I share with you, I do all this stuff completely free. If you wouldn't mind, in the description, and you fancy buying me a cup of coffee, it'd be much appreciated. It helps support my channel, helps me to keep making these videos. And if you like this content, make sure you give me the thumbs up. Make sure, as I say, you subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. You have an amazing day and happy trading. Bye now.